Today we have the latest and the greatest Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. The box is slim and without a charger. This one is a special edition titanium blue color. Same camera layout with matte finished back, and it comes with an S Pen. The frame is now titanium. Top has now two microphones. The right side we have volume rockers and power button. The size of both is now a bit larger than before. On the left there is nothing except antenna line. Bottom contains most of the thing, including USB-C type charging port, SIM card tray, a microphone, a continuous speaker slot, and an S Pen housing along with the two antenna lines. Guys, do like the video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Coming to the screen, the front is a gorgeous 6.8-inch Super AMOLED dynamic display with a better scratch resistant Corning Gorilla Armor glass this time. Talking about the display, Samsung this year has now gone with a completely flat display. The back as well is also flat with a slightly curved sides. Yes, it's better to hold and less slippery. For security, the ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor is secure and even faster now. The bezels are also now thinner and symmetrical all around. The selfie cutout is smaller too. Now coming to the camera, nothing much has changed in the camera department. As you can see, even the layout is also same. One thing that now you get a 50 megapixel 5x telephoto lens instead of a 10 megapixel 10x optical previously. Now company does claim this higher resolution 5x telephoto lens will produce better images compared to 10 megapixel optical lens on S23 Ultra. This is all for today, guys. If you have any queries about the phone, do let us know in the comment section below. Thank you.